Hi guys, I'm going to just do this quick video for you. This is for the advisory lesson dated Tuesday, August 16th, 2022. The worksheet for this one is finding the mean. And if you don't remember how to do that, then I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. So the word mean means finding the average of the numbers. And the steps to completing that are: first, add all the numbers in the data set together. So here is my data set for number 1 is 12, 17, 7, 10, and 20. And step 2, we're going to divide that number by however many numbers there are in the data set. So in this case, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. That means we're going to be dividing by 5. So let me solve this first one with you. So if you're in 7th grade, then you should not be using a calculator. 8th grade, you are allowed to use calculators, but you could definitely use a practice without a calculator. So 6th grade, no calculators, unless otherwise specified. So if you have 12, 17, 7, 10, and 20, I'm going to add those numbers together. Okay? So we have 7 plus 7 is 14, 15, 16, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when I add them together, I get 66. Then I'm just going to take that number and divide it by 5 because there are 5 numbers in my data set. So 5 goes into 6 one time. Bring down that 6. 5 goes into 16, 3 times, 3 times 15. 5 is 15, subtract. Decimal and 0. Oops. Decimal goes up. 5 goes into 10, 2 times. And then we have no leftover, so that means my answer, or the mean for the set of data in number 1 is 13 and 2/10. And your students can write that here. Okay. In the document that has the advisory lessons, there is an answer key provided. So I hope this helped you refresh your memory on how to find the mean of a set of data.